Everything back together. First thing we're going to install or reinstall is the motherboard. The back panel, you're going to want to have that in the back of the computer. That's where your connectors are, your USB, your sound, and your LAN, your network card, also your keyboard and mouse.
You're really close to the camera there.
Okay.
I can't even see this. I can't see any of this. Yeah, it's too close. I'm sorry.
Okay. I mean, did you see it at all?
You could see it, but it was just really, really close.
Okay. So you can get it that way.
Yeah, that's much better.
Okay, this is your back panel. You're going to want to install the motherboard with this facing out in the back so you can connect your USB, your sound, and your networking. Okay, but you're not going to want to connect the motherboard directly to the case. You need standoffs. And here's an example of a standoff. It's pretty small. Let's see if we can get a picture of that. Okay, that's your standoff, and they screw into the case where your screw holes are in your motherboard. You'll kind of have to judge where the screws are. Every motherboard has a size. It could be ATX, BX, which are really not popular anymore, baby AT or AT. You're going to want to look and see where all of your screw holes are. Okay, once you do that and you get your standoffs, lay the motherboard into the case and you're going to begin screwing it in. Okay, so I think we're missing a standoff here. Now it looks like they're all there. Let's go ahead and put this in. Make sure your screw holes line up with your standoffs. Okay, there you go. Also, you want to put your template in, and it makes your case more airtight so that, let's see, so that the fan can keep it cooler. Okay, stick that in first. Stick your motherboard in, and I did pre-install the CPU and the cooler because they're all different. You're going to have to make sure you follow the instructions for your particular cooler. Okay. I'm going to cut this out or edit. Okay. Let's do it this way. That way everything will fit. There we go. Okay. You can pause it.